Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to take a JPEG file and repair it into a Word document in a simple way. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. This will be the base where we place our JPEG file. Next, locate your JPEG file on your computer. Click and hold the file, then drag it into the blank Word document. When you release the mouse button, the image will appear inside Word. You can adjust the size if you need to by clicking the corners and dragging them. Now we will save this file as a PDF. Go to the top left of Word and click File. From the menu, choose Save As. Pick a folder where you want to store the new file. In the Save as Type drop-down, choose PDF. Give it a name and click Save. Word will now create a PDF version of your document with the JPEG inside it. The next step is to convert this PDF back into an editable Word document. To do this, close the current document and open a new blank one in Word. Then go again to the top left, click File, and this time choose Open. Find the PDF file you just created and open it. Word will show a message that it is converting the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK. Once it opens, you will see your JPEG placed inside the new Word file. Now you can edit text around it, copy content, or continue working in Word as needed. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.